Hidden deep within Devon's Teign Gorge lies Fingle Bridge, a stunning 17th century granite packhorse bridge spanning the River Teign. At just 2 metres wide, its narrow stonework was originally built for packhorses carrying corn, timber and charcoal through the steep Dartmoor Valley. Notice the triangular cutwaters along the sides designed to give foot passengers a safe refuge from passing traffic. Above these wooded ridges lie Iron Age hill forts, highlighting just how historic this crossing point really is. If you're enjoying this quiet look around Dartmoor, take a quick moment to like and subscribe for more scenic walks across the UK. Right on the riverbank stands the Fingle Bridge Inn, welcoming walkers and anglers since 1897. If you're visiting, parking is tight along the lane or across the narrow bridge, where additional parking has a strict width limit of 6 feet 4 inches.